Do you know? Is the sun likely to stop shining? When the Earth first formed, you know how many hours a day? Do you know how many moons there were on Earth before this? Can continents move from their place? For more interesting facts, let's move on to the video. Fact number 10 is, sometimes there is calm before a storm. When a storm grows, it pulls in warm, wet air around it. The air goes into the storm cloud, and when it gets to the top, it rolls out over the big head of the cloud. Then it falls back down. As it falls, it becomes warmer and drier, which makes for stable, calm weather. This is the calm that can happen right before the storm hits. Fact number 9 is, only 3% water of the Earth is fresh, rest 97% salted. Of that 3%, over 2% is frozen in ice sheets and glaciers. Means less than 1% fresh water is found in lakes, rivers and underground. Fact number 8 is, have you ever wondered why we have different seasons? It's because the Earth is tilted 23.4 degrees on its axis, an imaginary line straight through the middle of the planet form the North Pole to the South Pole. This means that different parts of the globe are tilted towards the Sun at different times of the year or at different times during its orbit. Fact number 7 is, Earth is the only planet in our solar system known to support life. This is because it has two very important things that living creatures need to survive: lots of oxygen and lots of water. Its distance from the Sun means it's not too hot and not too cold for creatures to live on, too. Fact number 6 is, Earth is mostly iron, oxygen and silicon. If you could separate the Earth out into piles of material, you'd get 32.1% iron, 30.1% oxygen, 15.1% silicon, and 13.9% magnesium. Of course, most of this iron is actually located at the core of the Earth. If you could actually get down and sample the core, it would be 88% iron. And if you sampled the Earth's crust, you'd find that 47% of it is oxygen. Fact number 5 is, there wasn't just one ice age. You may have heard of the Ice Age on Earth. It was a time when woolly mammoths roamed. But this didn't just happen one time 30,000 years ago. There may have been as many as 4 different ice ages in the past. During these times, Earth would have been covered completely in ice. Fact number 4 is, continents are always on the move. About 250 million years ago, all the continents we see today were one big supercontinent called Pangaea. They've slowly moved ever since to spread out and form the continents we see today: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. But Pangaea wasn't the first supercontinent. About 800 million years ago, all the continents were pushed together too. We call this previous supercontinent Rodinia. Fact number 3 is, the sun won't shine forever. Don't worry, the sun isn't going anywhere for a very long time. But nothing in the whole universe lasts forever and ever. Our sun will run out of energy in about 5 billion years. Fact number 2 is, days are getting longer. When Earth first formed 4.6 billion years ago, a day was about 6 hours long. Since then, the Earth has slowed down. It takes longer to spin around. Every 100 years, the day gets 0.0017 seconds longer. Why? The moon is slowing down Earth's rotation with the tides it creates. As the tides rise and fall all over Earth, it creates a force that slows down Earth's rotation. The number 1 fact is, Earth may have once had 2 moons. A study in 2011 suggests that 2 moons might have crashed into each other form the moon we have today. Astronomers say that a tiny moon, about 1,200 kilometers wide, could have orbited Earth before catastrophically slamming into the other one. We have seen the top 10 interesting facts. Now we are going to see the unbelievable fact of the day. The Pacific Ocean is so huge that all of the world's continents could fit into the Pacific Basin. The Pacific Ocean is the world's oldest, largest and deepest body of water, and could fit all Earth's continents in its basin with room to spare. That's the end of this video. Hope you like it. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching Collective Fact.